Yeah guys, welcome to my vlog and come with us to Taiwan.
Ngiting nakalagpas ng immigration, no? Ngiting nakalagpas ng immigration. Hoy.
Hello everyone, immigration passed. For context guys, we're traveling to Taipei and we're here in Mactan, Cebu International Airport. Our immigration experience here is super smooth, like 2 minutes daan na kami sa immigration. I asked the IO if pwede ba na magtuganis akong husband, and then she asked if how are we related, so I told her na he's my husband, and then yun lang, she asked, I gave her our passport, and then she asked me sa return ticket, and then after that picture, she told me na face sa camera for picture, and then for my husband, tinanong lang niya if anong work, and then yun lang guys. But the documents we prepared, like we prepared the COE, ID, return ticket, itinerary, and all. For this trip guys, we decided to book Starlux Airlines since ato nga time nga nag-book it is the cheapest flight we found nga direct from Cebu to Taiwan. And as your tita and tito Ira na kami, so di na may gusto ma-stress sa biyahe. So stressful kay if moagi pag naiya.
On behalf of whole crew, welcome on board Starlux Flight 782 bound for Taiwan International Airport. We'll be ready about 5 minutes for our departure. And today our flight time is 2 hours and 20 minutes with initial altitude 34,000 feet, which is about 10,400 meters. And once again, please make yourself comfortable and enjoy the flight with us. And also,
so happy we booked this airline, and sulit ra among choice guys. Wide iyang leg room. There's also an in-flight meals na included na siyang airfare, and also the 23 kilogram check-in baggage. And the meals legit lami ra siya. Gana-excite na pod mi og nag-look forward mi guys unsa na sad ang menu sa among pauli na flight. Kurot na niya guys. Lock. To Taiwan. Lucky land. Go dad. Hey dad.
Nawa ko ng QR.
next time.
Scan the QR code. Ayaw dira pag pislit bisan asa. Dali, pislit. Hala. Wa na kaya. Hala, hala amazing mo na price na lo.
Oh girl, go girl, scan your QR. Go, go, Xiaolongbo, 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 Xiaolongbo. Pas. Otoy na.
Dagandahan na naman si kuya mo at si ate ko. Bitaw, kidding aside, after sa among video transition for TikTok, nangita mi og ATM para maka-withdraw og cash, because upon research mas dako daw conversion ang mag-withdraw ka from ATM kaysa sa magpa money exchange ka. So akong gigamit is GoTime card lang. And diha guys, kuha na mi sa MRT going to Taipei main station, and I think nasayop mi dili ang katong HSR among nasakyan, pero okay ra 1 hour siya, nakaabot na din mi sa Taipei main station. Booked our Taoyuan Airport MRT ticket through Klook amounting to 568 pesos for 2 packs. One way lang siya. From here, we need to look for the green line, the Baymen station, since we need to go sa Simending area where our hotel is located.
Okay. Nagunsa ka diha?
We're here in 7-Eleven guys. Nakita dyan mi for the easy card.
Taipei Metro.
Taipei.
Yan ang PT guys.
This can also be used as souvenir. Guys, we are here in Taipei main station. Just to kuan lang, nangita kami 7-Eleven kay we can book sa Klook man easy card, pero ganahan mi na ni dili siya katong card type, so ganahan mi aning murag keychain para ma-use na sad siya as a souvenir. So price ani niya is 159. Wala pa siya load, and then imuha love is 169. So nagpa-load lang mig tag 200 NTD each. Let's see if kaigo ra siya. So ayan, so cute. tara, G. Kumusta, Dad? So far, so good.
Labad-labad.
So, nang labad-labad, but so far, wala pa'y away, no?
Wala pa away. Zero
Okay,
pa, zero.
very good, very good.
Zero pa, wala pa away.
Nami sa Taipei Main Station nun, guys. Nakita kami sa MRT para sa Simanding. Pila mo, hapit na namo nakita. Oh my gosh! We're here na! Simanding Exit 6! Oh my God, thank you Lord. Mora niyang kita natanaw sa YouTube. And then, reality na namin diri. OA na akong OA, pero we're so happy, guys.